In this shadow foam creation, we wanted to put together a really compact survival bug out kit. So getting into it, this case is from Amazon. We repurposed the GoPro case because we think the size is really great, and for only £10 it's great value for such a versatile case. All we have to do is take out the GoPro insert, and as you can see it's just glued in at the sides, so it's very easy to take out. And now we have a nice empty case. The piece of shadow foam that goes in the bottom here is around £5 from the shadow foam website, and all we have to do is cut the radiuses off the corners and it slots right in. The important elements were that we had fire, water, blades and power, and we also wanted redundancy for each of these main items. We also wanted a radio, a way of getting food, and some other bits and bobs that we could squeeze in to make a really efficient and compact survival kit. Something you could have stashed in your car or in a cupboard at home. This kit was actually put together for someone to have in their orange camper van, hence the reason we went for the orange theme for the case. So the first item we have is also from Amazon. We'll put some links in the description. It's an FM AM radio that's solar and dynamo powered, as well as being a torch. It also has a USB port on the back, and that's our first means of power. To go along with it, we have a slim plug, but in a survival situation, mains power may not always be available. We've included some phone charging cables. This kit was made for a couple that has an Android and iPhone, so we have a micro USB and lightning cables. As a secondary source of power, we have a power bank that comes with its own cable. Underneath that we have our backup blade, which is a credit card sized blade with a bottle opener, saw and some other useful applications. Then our main blade is this nice bokeh knife, which has a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker. And then to sharpen it we have this knife sharpener. Next to the knife is our first means of starting a fire, which is a flint and steel. And then as a backup we have some waterproof matches. Next we've got this tactical pen. A pen is always useful in a survival situation. This is our main torch. As well as it being a high powered torch, it's also a very loud rape alarm. This whistle has a compass and thermometer on either end. And following that we have the Lifestraw, probably the most important item in this kit. This turns any source of water into clean drinking water, and it's super compact. As a redundancy for water, we also have these water purification tablets. In this other tin, we have a few bits and pieces. The first item is a tin opener, and then these two items actually make a fishing rod. All you need is a stick, and there's about 10 meters of fishing line. We also have some tweezers, super glue, and a few other auxiliary items. In the lid pouch we have two 3M dust masks with filters, two survival blankets, and then we've just put the instructions for some of the items in the bag, such as the fishing rod and water purification tablets. And this last item here are the batteries for the torch. You could easily put all of these items in a case without foam. However, every time you checked it, you couldn't be 100% certain that everything was in there without a checklist. One quick glance, one quick look, and you'll know everything is in there, ready when you need it. So this is such a great size case, and for the price, you could use it for a lot of different applications. It's sold on the premise as a GoPro case, but we want to highlight all of the different uses this case has when you just add a bit of shadow foam. Stay tuned to see more of this amazing case. Thanks for watching.